Salibonani, makati muri Zimbabwe. Welcome back again pazimu reality ITV. Pana patinonguwa vangwa ma latest. Patinonguwa vangwa nyadzi ngitsipisa patona mutakunanzvo ma latest ane hombo. Ndinenya ndine pana ba inya mukoma Peter Moyo. Ndofunga pambana times na booster nyadza mukoma Peter Moyo. Sata munzo kuti mukoma Peter Moyo ari kuita sei. Saka ndine message yabva kuna mukoma Peter Moyo wangu achitaura about Easter kuti amana tutazvo kuti I holiday ndiye kuzvarwa kwa Jehovah. I holiday ndiye kuti ngati chinama chita sei muno munhu ndopo wari kuita kuimporta nekuexporta vanhu kuti vaite se waite zvinhu zvebonde. Saka ndine video racho ndandikuonesei idanda zvakawanda zvoda kutaura mwana wekwayo ataura kudhara. Saka sometimes kana zvimwe zvichitaurwa navanhu munofanira kunge muchinzwa. It's wrong, ona it's wrong kuti muite zvemucholo kana muite zvekuvhara iyo ningi ngwe kuti tofanira kunge tichinamata tichifanira kumuka pamwe chete naJesu Kristu. Saka anyway,
so disappointed, man, with these brothers, man. Disappointed with these other eaters, man. This is a holy day, man. It's a holy day, man. You have to be praying. You should be praying right now, man. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, others are praying. They're going to change. And you're busy importing each other from Wanga to Plawayo, from Plawayo to Mutare, man, from Mutare to Harare, just to have sex, man. I'm so disappointed in you, other eaters. I thought you were my brothers, man, but no, man. I'm no longer your brothers, man. No longer your brother. No, I'm so disappointed. Others are busy praying and you're busy importing each other, man. He died for us, man. He died for our sins. And you're using that holiday, man, just to have sex. Just to importing each other, man. I'm so disappointed with you, my brother. I'm telling you, my bro. This is not good at all, man. You should have used that man to do something better, man. But you're busy importing them, man. One by one, Friday another one, Saturday another one, Sunday another one, Monday another one. So disappointed, my bro. So disappointed.